This is the video for getting approval for the OAuth consent. So I am doing this a second time now, so let's just get right into it. So here is our connector for specifically the Google OAuth. And so I'm going to make this a little bigger so you can see the exact client ID at the top. And I will show you what scopes are being requested in a second. And we can look at the 4 services. So it wants to view emails, send emails on our behalf, view and edit events, and see and download any calendar you can access using Google Calendar. So I will continue so we can show you what it is for. So we can see here are the 2 connectors that we gave access for just now, email and then calendar. So let me show you what the email is used for first. I want my agent to give me a summary of the last 5 emails sent or emails received. And so this is a little bit of a bug at the moment, but we can see what it is doing. And our agent does not save any of the user's data to the backend. It uses it, and then that is it. It passes it into the LM, but that is it. Nothing else is saved for us. And here is the last 5 emails, and you can actually see in my email that is correct, right? Here's the last 5. Okay, let us move on to the actual email sending of this. Can you send an email to austin@unic.com, unicloud.com, subject being event for tomorrow, content can be some gibberish. And we can see that it passes it into our LM, our agent. It populates it, and I approve for this, right? So let's say I want it to send. And the approve button here and the send button here are the same. So now that it is approved, it is sending it. And look at that, it says it's sent, so let's check. Event for tomorrow with some gibberish. So that is the email functionality. Let's take a look at the event functionality next. Can you tell me about what events are occurring for the week of 2/15/26? And we can see that it is using the calendar list tools that we created, and it is looking through all of our events. And you can see that I have a grocery shopping event at 9 a.m. on the 16th, which I had. Okay, next, can you please create me an event for the same day an hour later for tutor, let's say. And the exact times aren't right, but we will fix that. Let's say add event. And then February 15th, and let's just make sure it is added. And you can see right here, tutor session, 10 a.m. So here is our functionality for and why we need the